Hi guys, it's Kaz from Kkatz Vegan Kitchen. Welcome to another episode. I want to take a moment and apologize. I said that this video would be up the next day. I got really busy. Sorry, it took 2 days, but it's going to be up right now. So welcome. If you are new to my channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button below and that notification bell so you're aware of when my next videos come out. I have currently lost 55 pounds eating the Starch Solution, which is a whole food plant-based diet. And if you're interested in following along with my weight loss journey, please consider subscribing. It helps a lot. So without further ado, I know you guys want to know about these vegan ribs because I had so many comments on my Instagram. If you're not part of my Instagram, be sure to follow me there, Kkatz Vegan Kitchen. And they're not made out of seitan, they're not made out of fake meat, they're not made out of junk or oil, they're oil-free. It is made out of king oyster mushrooms. Yes, that's what I said, a vegetable oyster mushrooms. So let's get into that video. Hope you enjoy.
Alright guys, recipe time. We put garlic, pepper, smoked paprika, ground cumin, chili flakes, parsley flakes, salt, and soya sauce, and just a little bit of it. We're going to add about a 1/4 cup of water, and I put it in slowly and make sure that everything is stirred in and well incorporated. Just like that. Looking beautiful. Then we're going to use king baby oyster mushrooms, and I saved the tops. I can use them for another recipe, but my main focus is on the stem. I want a nice meaty texture, so I cut them off on all the mushrooms just like that. Once they are all trimmed and ready to go, I throw it into the sauce and I make sure to incorporate it really well, making sure it's covered and you no longer see it white in color. And while they're marinating, I get my grill ready, or whatever pan you want to use, get it nice and hot and ready to go. And you'll notice that the sauce gets absorbed. So I'm just showing that I'm going to use my griddler, and this is a double-sided. You could use a flat side, but I wanted to show the grill marks, so I'm just setting it to grilling and I'm leaving it on medium. Once it's nice and hot and ready to go, I put on the mushrooms onto the grill one by one, and I'll show you in 1 second. Open it up when it says green that you can see there, and it is super hot, so be careful. So one by one I added, and I hope you notice that the soy sauce does get absorbed into these mushrooms. So if you want to add different flavors, you definitely can. So lay them all out and press them down. Once they are fully pressed, or how can I say the right words I'm looking for? Make sure they're nice and pressed. The more that you can press it down and compress them together, the meatier it's going to become. And it also like flattens it out so that it's more of a rectangular shape instead of a circle shape. Press those for about 10 minutes or so, and in the meantime I get my pan prepared with foil and then parchment paper. I like cooking on the parchment paper because I don't like foil touching my food. So I basically add barbecue sauce. I didn't show this part, I apologize, but use your favorite kind, and add it in with the spices already that was left over. Just scoop everything out. The more saucier that you can get these ribs, the less likely they are to burn and stick. Even though they are in parchment paper, they can stick if it is not wet enough. So I'm just laying it out and getting ready to fold in the parchment paper. I'm going to fold it over on itself just to make an envelope to make sure none of the sauce leaks out and that it's steaming at the same time. So just fold it over here just like that, And then I'm going to use the foil and wrap it up, and the foil will act as a conductor, bringing more heat into the package. And that is it. Fold it up. I put it into the oven at 385 and I do it for 40 minutes. I double check it like I am right now, and it is hot, so be careful. But it looks good. Come on, open this package. Here we go. You ready for it? Ooh, yeah. Glorious. You can see they are well done at this point. I do use a knife to make sure that it's heading in the right direction, that it is nice and soft. You can see how they're just going right through. So I'll flip them over, I'll add more barbecue sauce, I'll baste them again, and I cook it for another 20-25 minutes, or as long as you want. The longer that you cook it, the softer that these will get. I add more barbecue sauce, like I said, just basting them, making sure that they're nice and juicy and covered, and I put them back in the oven and they turn out like this, fantastic and glorious. And they're charred on both sides, but it's caramelized, it's beautiful and perfect, and it's ready for plating. Put it on my special wooden plate here, and then I garnish it, and you can garnish it with whatever you like. I like adding in parsley, just like that, and then the money shot is next. Hope you guys like it.
Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching my video. Here is how it turned out. Oh my goodness. Vegan barbecue ribs. Absolutely perfect. Like, you stick a knife through it, it just goes right through it. They're super soft. These are unreal in terms of how they look. Now, for the taste test, I'm going to put it on the counter. I'm going to grab a big one. They are super sticky because I let the barbecue sauce caramelize, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, these are made out of mushroom, guys. No seitan here. Any other ingredient, no fake meat. Let's give this a try. Like, it looks like meat. These are mushrooms. The flavors are beautiful. It's juicy. It's not dried out. It's tender. It just falls apart. The longer that you cook these, the softer and softer they're gonna get. These cooked approximately about an hour altogether. Perfect, guys. I'm so excited. I love making recipe for you guys, and when it actually turns out what you envision in your mind, oh, these are good. You must make. Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Are you guys blown away? Amazing, amazing, amazing flavors. These mushrooms are to die for. It is a must try. Your kids will love it. They will ask for it. Your husband's wife, who may not be on a whole food plant-based journey like you, will not believe it. Oh, they are unreal. I know my husband was in the back of our apartment and he came running in and he's like, "Are you making me baked chicken?" I was like, "No, it's vegan ribs. If you want to try it." I promise, if you have adventurous partners, they will definitely eat this. So make sure to give it a try. It is worth all the work. It is super easy though. Simple recipes make for simple plans and simple goals and simple ideal weight. So that is it for today. Remember always, guys, one life, one love, one purpose. Go out and do you today and never let anybody stop you from your dreams and your weight loss goals. Thank you for joining on my today. I hope this recipe will help you out and help you get closer to a whole food, plant-based vegan diet. And that is it. So thank you so much. Oh, I remember one thing. If you guys would like to leave a comment below, that helps me out to figure out what you would like to see next in terms of a recipe video or an update video, whatever it might be. Just leave it in the comments. If it is a recipe video, just let me know what culture, what the food dish you would like to do. I can do the mistakes and the trials and errors of it and make it delicious for you and veganize it so that it'll help you on your weight loss journey. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.